Alright, just for comparison, that's a 4570 on the left, a 4590 on the right. Stay tuned to this channel. We will have many videos coming up, some with accuracy for this gun coming up soon. Alright, today we're going to shoot this 4590 brand new 1886 Winchester. Excuse the stupid roosters. And we're going to get out here and shoot with black powder. Alright, going to shoot at that steel target with these 400 grain lead bullets. Can't hardly see the target, but I think the target left. You gotta go find it. Apparently it sheared them bolts off. Let's see if we can figure out what happened. I hope it doesn't go too far. Yeah, it sheared the head off of both of those bolts there. Look at that. Sheared the head right off those carriage bolts. That one was brand new because the 5100 busted it off the other day. Here's our target down here. You know, black powder is just too powerful for those bolts. I got some bigger bolts. I'll reset up and try it again. Alright, take two with the 4590 black powder load. Wait until that thing gets wild one. See there? Already sheared the head off of that bolt. And I put a lot bigger bolts. Try to keep that from happening. See here's the old bolt compared to the new one. That one there's a lot thicker. It still sheared the head off. I guess 4590 is just too powerful to shoot at something like that with.